Welcome back. This is the second video in a multi-part series on changing the head in a Caterpillar C7 engine. In this video, we're going to show cleaning the head, getting all the old gasket material off of the deck, getting it prepped for the new head to go in. There are a number of parts and pieces that we cleaned off camera. They include the valve cover assembly, the turbocharger. We painted all of that stuff, and also you'll see here in a few minutes that we will take apart the intake. It had a fair bit of corrosion in it. So this process takes a while. You need to take your time and get all the old gasket material off. We did not have a method of scraping the head other than using a razor blade, and then we used acetone to get rid of the last of the gasket material. That method is slow, but we did not want to damage the mating surface. In this particular case, there was a pretty obvious failure of the head in terms of the crack and the failed gasket on the number 3 cylinder. They most likely were related to the injector that was changed at some point in the engine's history. Perhaps that cylinder was hydrolocked. It's pretty easy to do. And that's what damaged both pieces. The engine ran for a very long time in that condition, so now we're cleaning out the bore holes where the head bolts went in. Off camera, we chased a special tap, the exact same thread size, down each one of the holes and cleaned them out. You'll also notice the small copper rods there behind my father. Those are pretty important. You want to drop those in a couple of head bolts. Those are 1/2-inch copper pipe. And what they do for you is they make it so that the head will go down straight. So highly recommend that. I think those were 12 inches long. You need 3 of them to align the head, and that way it's much easier to lower down. You'll see that in the next video.